So what we want to do is figure out what the current value of the portfolio is. It's gone down 5.8%. Started out at 16,800. It's decreased. We want to subtract 0.058 times 16,800. And that's going to tell me, this tells me how much it's gone down. Then you will subtract that amount from 16,800 and you'll have the current value. So I don't have a trick here. I actually had to go on the side of my paper and just do that nasty multiplication. I did set it up where I just did the two zeros. And it wasn't that bad. 8 times 8 is 64. And 40, that's going to be 46. And then 6 times 8 is 48. 30, that's going to be 34. So they've made it nice with having that 5 there. It's easy to keep up. And then this is just going to be 58. Excuse me. And that gives me 0, 0, 4, 14, 8, 8, 16. That's going to be 17. Carry 1, 9. So 3 decimal places. So its subtraction amount is 16,800 minus how much it's gone down, which is 974.40. I went on the side of my paper and did that subtraction and got 15,825.60. So there's your answer.